She said her favorite color. Yeah. She said her favorite color. Hi guys, I am back with another video. So in today's video, I will be doing some lip swatches with the new Maybelline Lifter lip glosses. These glosses claim is to give you hydrating shine for a fuller lifted look. And it also supposed to smooth your lips to enhance the lip contour with a high non-sticky shine. Plus it says that the wand is extra large so that it will transform your lips in an easy one swipe application. So, let's go ahead and test these glosses and see if they really hold up to their claim.
Big back, it was me and you drive to the city. No makeup, still pretty. Cruising, hey, you got the stereo on. Hair up, looking like a million. Limos got you in your feelings, yeah. Messed up, y'all not get it, yeah. Is that none of my business? She said, come on, get your believer to California. Yeah, you got a point. I probably should've warned you, but now I think I'm staying. Tell me, what was it you're saying? She said her favorite color yellow, and it looked good on her dress. Trying to be slim, thick, nothing less. But she's falling in and out of love. Her heart was broken. Do summertime crushes even notice? A little bit too kind, she a little bit too emotional. Cry your heart out. Let me know what's going on. I'll make you feel mellow. You just gotta let go. Build it up like Lego. Say you want it 100, I'ma keep it on 100. Say you want it 100, I'm keeping it 100.
I can say these lip glosses definitely holds up to their claims. It's very, very nice and soft. It goes on really smooth. It smells good. It hydrates. And yeah, it gives you a nice shine to the lips. And I can't say I am very happy and satisfied with my purchase. Alright guys, so that is all I have for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I did. If you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way, every time I drop a video, you will be notified. Alright guys, so love you, and until the next time, I shall see you in my next video. Bye.
When you see it, tell her hello for me.